Hello, I'm Sreeja, an engineer, and I will be talking about one of the surgeries caused because of oral cavity cancer today, mandibular reconstruction. When the tumor damages the lower jaw, which is the mandible, surgeon chooses to perform mandibular reconstruction, which is nothing but he chooses a healthy bone, which is iliac bone, which is hip bone or fibula, and then takes a part of it and replaces the damaged part in mandible with the healthy bone. How it is done? The doctors have CT scans to analyze the patient's condition and data, and then they would actually choose the sequence of process which they want to do and perform the surgery. Here, as an engineer, let me try to give you a demo of it. Consider this as a damaged jaw, mandible. And then doctor places a surgical guide exactly where it has to be cut. He decides that and then cuts a part of this. And then we also have another part of it, which is the bone chosen by the doctor, the fibula bone or iliac bone. And then he cuts a part of this and replaces the damaged part in the lower jaw, which is the mandible, with the healthy bone. And after the surgery is done, he would actually uses the screws to fit it all together, and then this becomes a healthy jaw again. Now, as an engineer, why am I talking all this? Because all the models which you have seen just now are 3D printed or additively manufactured. Additive manufacturing is nothing but converting digital data into physical models in a layer by layer approach. Unlike subtractive machining processes which are conventional, additive manufacturing gives us too much of scope to do a lot. Consider this small example. How much more can we do with additive manufacturing? Till now, we can just mimic the bone structure. What if we can print the same, because the manufacturing process is not just constrained with additive manufacturing. As an engineer who's doing masters, it is so much and very much interesting for me to know this technology and to know where it is going, because we have already printed a bionic ear and the trials are going on to print a bionic eye. For me, it is very interesting to know the bone structure, and that's where my research is going to be. I want to create a bone. I want to print a bone. Sounds fancy, but it is possible, because look at this. Don't you think it is insanely real? And if we know the material properties of the bone perfectly, and if we can actually recreate it, I'm sure we can create the bones as well. And that's what my research is going to be. Thank you.